Hello, good evening, my dear friends. How are you? I hope you are doing well. My friends, I will be discuss about the English speaking. My dear friends, I learned English speaking previous 1 month. I have to practice, but my dear friends, if you set any targets, then then this is very important for need, and you you should be continue speaking. Then if you speak every day for 1 hours or 30 minutes, then you should be try every day, and one day you will be speak very well. My dear friends, I am very happy today because I don't afraid any afraid, and I standing here for make video for speaking English. My dear friends, if you see my background, this very comely place, but but my side for uh, distance between 100 meters, my dear friends, many vehicles run in the run on the road. Then if you don't mind, my dear friends, first of all, if you try to speak, then you have many mistakes, as like vocabularies, as like some sentences, and if you speak, then if you uh, have any mistakes, then you have to pause for some times what you speak every day. And then, my dear friends, this is possible, this is possible for you. And my dear friends, if you go any fields, then you have to try for hard working. Then you have to decide for achieve any targets. Then this is very important for you. That's very important for you. If you have to continuous person, if you have to achieve anything, then first of all you should be become very brave. Then you achieve anything, and you can do anything. If you hope I am very poor, then then I can understand you are very coward person, you are very lazy person, because You have to afraid for speaking. Why? That's my question. Why? My dear friends, first of all, if you starting for speaking, then you think that I am very childhood person. If child is starting for speaking, then speaks some words. First of all, speaks some words, some letters, some words, and then speaks simple sentences, and then speaks joint sentences, and then speaks very well. This process, this process can be 3 4 years for child. Then you have to not punctual. You have to not speaking every day, and before speaking you don't know grammars, and you don't know how to make any sentences. Then if you try to speak, then you have to process for 1 year or 2 years, continuous in life. That's journey for continuous in life for speaking. My dear friends, I am not good person. I hope I am not good person, but why? Why? I have many questions. If I have not fluency, then that is very important. I am not continuous for speaking. So, my dear friends, if you set any targets, that's very important. You have to consistency. You have must consistency. That is very important for you. So, I have some memories. I have some memories because I want to become toppers in matrix. So I decide that I will study every day, and I learn continuous, and I study whole day. But my dear friends, I have not concentrate that subject. So that's my fault. If you can achieve, if you can be a specialist, if you want be become a specialist any subject, that's very important. You know that everything for that subject, but first of all you should be starting points, and then you have solved simple questions, and slowly, that's process, slowly, but one day you will success, you will be become a specialist for subjects, but that's important. You have to learn every day. My dear friends, if you want to become any scientist, if you want to a specialist any area, then you set the target, and this process can drive day by day, and you can see one day, oh, I solve many problems. If comes many problems in your life, then you can't afraid, you don't afraid, and you should be very happy. I have faced many problems, so most welcome to all problems. I can do it because I am brave. Then if you think that that process is very easily, you can face it, and you can a specialist, you can, you become a specialist for any subject. My dear friends, I have no much times, but I make video, and for making video I have many, I have faced many problems, but I make also for you. So my dear friends, if you watch my videos, then if you like, then share all friends. So I am learner, I am beginner, so don't mind. I have many mistakes for speaking, so but I speak in front of the camera. So my dear friends, if you watch my videos, then don't mind my mistakes. I am, I have consistency, and I will be make videos many types. So my dear friends, good evening again, and I will be meet for next videos. So thank you for watching.